My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube videos. My YouTubes are short, sweet, and to the point. I don't let these drag on. I give you the information you need. I love for you to ask me questions about IRS, and I'll give you the answers you need to have with no malarkey or BS. As a former IRS agent and out in private practice, I probably worked about, 10,000 cases. Maybe at least. I'm a national resolution expert, and I want to talk to you today about how important that you understand the IRS National Standard Program. The IRS National Standard Program is probably the single most important thing you need to understand if you owe IRS debt, whether, God, your case is going to go in hardship, it's currently non-collectible, payment agreement status, or the offer and compromise. The national standard controls your case, and people don't know what it is. They go ahead and they call IRS, and they're very unsuspecting about how IRS is going to work their case. And basically what you do when you owe IRS wants to evaluate all cases. The service center evaluates them with a financial statement, the 433F. The revenue officer evaluates them, what I was, with a 433, a much detailed one. So how does IRS make sure there's a level playing field with everybody? They take a financial statement, but they use the same standards to everybody, no matter where you live. So the IRS many years ago came out with the IRS National Standard Program, which means that when you claim expenses on your financial statement, IRS puts you in a particular category. So when you fill these forms out, when you go ahead and fill them out, for instance, for food and clothing, you are put into an IRS national standard, and you better understand that IRS national standard. If you have housing and utilities, which everybody does, you better understand the housing and utility expense. You can find them at irs.gov. Go into the national standards for housing and utilities. They're not going to give you as much to live on as you think. They're going to do that for vehicle ownership cost and vehicle operating costs. They derive these from the Department of Labor. The bankruptcy court uses these to determine what they will allow you to spend. If you spend over these, IRS says, we want the money. You must keep within the standard. There's a lot of things that are disallowed. For instance, if you have kids that are going to college, or you have credit card payments, or you may have a lawn or a pool service, IRS isn't going to allow that. They lock you down, so they only let you pay X amount of expenses. Now, they do allow court-ordered payments. They do allow some life insurance. They allow some child and dependent care. And if you have secured debts that were existing before the IRS, they allow those. Do not attempt to settle your tax debt, negotiate your tax debt, enter into an uncollectible program or a payment agreement program unless you go ahead and know that, because the Internal Revenue Service is going to change what you have. They're going to jack your payment up, and you're not going to be happy. If you like what I'm giving you, please, I do try to open the curtain to give you the information you need. Like me, subscribe to me. I'm happy to help. If you leave a comment, I'll get back with you and let you know what I think. Or if it's a new subject, I'll go ahead and YouTube it for you. Thank you so much for giving. Remember, the IRS National Standards Program, very important.